Today we're going to make one of these cute little bunny gnomes. He turned out really cute, didn't he? We're going to make another one. So stay tuned, I'm going to grab my supplies. You got to watch this. All right, let's get started. First things first, we're going to need a white sock, and we're going to need a colored or patterned sock as well, and rice or some kind of a fill. We're going to need some little rubber bands, a glue gun, glue sticks, and we're going to need felt and craft foam. And I've already pre-cut these for my ears. I've got some Easter colored ribbons. I found these at Michael's or someplace a while ago. They are probably more for kids' toys, kid crafts, but I thought it would be kind of cute to use one of these up in the bow. I've got 2 different colors of ink that I'm going to color his nose. This time, instead of pinching the nose, I'm going to go ahead and just apply, I'm just going to go ahead and apply one of these, and then I'm going to have to find a bigger one for his tail. And then we're going to need some kind of twine or to tie around his head to seal the sock after we use the rubber band. Rubber bands won't last forever, so we want to tie that up real well with the rubber band, but then after that, we're going to attach the rope in. You're going to need some kind of a glass, and that's going to help hold the rice, hold your sock in so that the rice, there we go, so that you can get the rice in. Now we're going to put in about 3 cups of rice, and right now I've got like a 1/4 cup measuring cup. Doesn't have to be exact. However big you want your gnome. I'm kind of squishing him down in here a little bit. Let's try looking at it now. Squish the rice down. He's still pretty little. Going to add some more. Okay, let's see what that looks like. That's a pretty good sized little body. So let's go ahead and go with that. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of these little hair rubber bands here and put them on my finger. I don't have bigger rubber bands, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and use a bunch of these. Okay. Just tie him up really good. And make sure you've got your glue gun on. All right. Then we're going to take a little piece of twine, and we are going to wrap it around here. Get it nice and tight. Okay, now we're going to cut it really short. Yep. What? Nothing. Do you come in for something? Oh. The other thing I forgot to mention that we're going to need is something for a beard. And I picked this up on Amazon, and it just comes in like a, I don't know, 9 by 12 piece, and I'll show you how to cut that so that you don't lose the scruffy on the beard, okay? Now we're going to cut this fairly short. And we're going to kind of try and flatten him a little bit with some glue. Okay. There we go. This will help hold them in place too. And if you need to, put on your little finger protectors here. See how nice and plump he is? Little fat bunny. All right. Normally this is when you would grab and create your nose. And this is what you're gonna do. And you know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get him a nice big nose on here so I can show you exactly how to do it. Alrighty. Grab a big hunk of rice. It's not a big one, but hey, that works okay. Now we're going to tie this just like we did on the top. And this time, I think I just had an idea. I think I'm going to leave these long. I'm going to do a couple of these, and then this way I already have the whiskers. Okay, and I'm going to do one more. Oops, too short. Some bunny rabbits have really long whiskers. Okay, so now that I've got those on there, that means that's secured. These are already here. We are going to put our beard on first. So I'm going to kind of try and get a little bit of a measurement as to what I want. You can either cut a notch here to go around the nose, or you can just stretch it up and around it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it here. Now when you're cutting this, you can actually cut the backing without cutting the beard. See how that still frays out nice? If you just cut that straight down, you're gonna lose a bunch of that. So let's see, how long do we want to cut this? All right, maybe somewhere around here. And now you'll just be able to pull it apart. And you are going to have some shaggy coming off of here. But look at how cute that is now. I'm going to do something here. I'm going to cut a little hole. And I'm going to fit that around the nose. The first thing I need to do is fish the whiskers through. Here we go. It's cute. All right. So now that he's here, let's back up. Before we do that, I'm going to color this. Because the last time I got a little bit of color onto my beard. And this way, if we get it on the sock, it won't be noticed. Okay. All right, we're just gonna leave that like it is. So now I'm gonna pull this up. That's already pretty dry. So let me grab in through here, fish these through, place that down over it, spread. These apart. Very cute. So now I used much more beard than I needed to, but let's get him glued down. And we're gonna glue on the sides and the bottom. Make sure we get him real secure. Let's glue him first. All right, we're going to glue right around the rim, and we want a little bit of a roll. I want that nose to stick out too. All right, work your way around. Try and make it even on both sides here. Get to the back. And we do want this pulled down pretty far. Really kind of want to try and cover the white sock as much as you can. Okay. Nice thing is you can kind of reshape him as you need to. That turned out really cute. I'm going to glue right in here because it looks like a little bit of that fur came apart. And I'm just gonna shove it up underneath the nose. All right, we're gonna grab some more rubber bands. Cut them real short. Careful not to cut the sock. So here's what we've got. He's got a little top knot. All right, now let's do his ears. Decided I wanted big ears on him this time, so this is just strictly cut out of felt, just whatever you find at the store. Then his little pink parts are made out of craft foam, and you can find that at Michael's Hobby Lobby, a lot of times in the kids department. So I'm going to look at both of these, decide which one should go where and what direction. That looks pretty good. All right. Okay. These are just done freehand. And we're going to do the same for the other side. Try and get them even. It's already looking cute. I'm going to take all 3 of my ribbons here a little bit, get them even. And this ribbon is just from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to wrap it around here and tie a cute bow. I think I'm going to twist this down. All right, so now this is glued down. All right, so now all right, let me grab the other one. Look at that. Those are super cute. And I like how his ears are folding. So you have little ear bunny and big ear bunny. Very cute. Well, I hope you liked this project. I think it's something very simple you could do. Get the kids involved. I think they'll really like it. Zip tie it, pull your loop up.